Imagine a young person, still legally a minor, making all their own decisions, managing their own money, and living independently. How would they legally show that they are truly self-sufficient and responsible enough to live on their own without parental care or control? Proving minor self-sufficiency, often for a legal process like emancipation, requires a comprehensive collection of documents. These typically demonstrate financial independence, stable housing, educational or employment stability, and the ability to make mature, independent decisions. Courts examine these documents to ensure the minor is genuinely capable of supporting themselves and managing their own affairs. This means showing maturity beyond their chronological age, a stable living situation, and no longer needing parental support. The underlying legal principle focuses on the minor's best interest, making certain they are truly prepared for the responsibilities of adulthood. Different state laws and the minor's specific circumstances heavily influence what evidence is considered sufficient. To gather this proof, you would typically start by organizing financial records such as pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns that clearly show consistent income. Next, collect proof of stable housing, which could include a lease agreement in the minor's name or official correspondence at their address. Documentation of school enrollment or a high school diploma, alongside employment records, also strongly supports the claim of self-sufficiency. Additionally, letters of reference from teachers, employers, or counselors can highlight responsible behavior and decision-making skills. Judges are specifically looking for a consistent pattern of responsible behavior and a clear path toward long-term independence. This means they are not just looking for a single document, but rather a portfolio that paints a complete picture of a minor's ability to manage every aspect of adult life. Demonstrating consistent financial management, such as paying bills on time, is often more persuasive than simply having a large sum of money. Think of it as building a case for your practical adulting skills. Ultimately, the goal is to present a clear and compelling narrative that assures the court of a minor's capacity to live independently and responsibly. By meticulously collecting and organizing these critical documents, you provide undeniable evidence of financial stability, a secure living environment, and the mature decision-making skills necessary for self-sufficiency, ensuring a smoother legal process.